Hello everyone and welcome to my video of me unboxing my new 9F locomotive that I got from Alexandra Palace exhibition on the 27th and 28th of March. Right, let's unbox this beauty. If I unbox it this way it's easier because it's fine. Right. Right, as you can see there's a picture that you saw at the front. Before we look at the locomotive, look at this. Right, I've got this wonderful picture of a beautiful 9F. Then on the back there's a brief history. I'll read a part of it, not a lot. It says, after experience gained with the War Department locomotives during the Second World War, the newly formed British Railways under R.A. Riddles opted for a 210O heavy freight locomotive as part of its range of standard locomotive classes. And then it also says the last locomotive, steam locomotive that was made was Evening Star, which was a 9F, and then it just says what the locomotives were made for, where they were made, and that's about it. Okay, so that's that. And then of course with every backman you get the Collectors Club, which I don't need, and then you get, this is just your guarantee, which I don't need, and it says how to care for your locomotive, so that's just lubrication and stuff, and it just gives you this wonderful piece of paper showing all the bits and bobs on your loco. And it probably shows you where to lubricate and stuff. Okay, so that's that, and now let's move on to the loco. Right, as you can see, it's not Evening Star, it's black, it's just an ordinary one, 92077. Right, let's get this beauty out. I'll just, here's the tender. The tender first. See British Railways logo? If you look really carefully you can see all really good detail of the bolts, or rivets should I say. Spring-loaded buffers. And you've even got a brake system. And then here's the front. The people, the coal. And then there's coal on the top. Where you fill up your water. A nice ladder. I think the detail in this is pretty good actually. Right, that's the tender. Now let's go on to the loco. Be extra careful with this for right. Here she is. As you can see, the detail on the parts is excellent. I mean, look at this tiny piece of metal there, which I think is magnificent. And then on one side they even put an injector, which is there, and then here's the front of the loco. Of course, spring-loaded buffers again. Of course, this engine doesn't have a name, it's just an ordinary loco. Not every loco had a name. I'm still fascinated by these tiny pieces of metal here. I mean, of course this would all move, but that is just brilliant. And then if we go to the cab, it's not the most detailed cab you'd get on a model, but, and again, nothing is perfect, but I think this is perfect to me. Mind you, you're not going to be looking into the cab a lot, are you? And then this is what it would look like with candle on. There you go. Alright, there will be other videos of it pulling freight, of course. It will pull carriages, but not a lot, as they are heavy freight locomotives. I'll leave you a few clips of the exhibition. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions or anything like that, please ask. Thank you for watching.
Right,